Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well, hope you're all good. So today, a suggestion came my way from the Laughing Lion to do a video tutorial on how to use hand sanitizer. It was that great idea that has led to this video, which is entitled How to Use Hand Sanitizer. Now, the reason that you're going to want to use hand sanitizer is to get rid of dirt and fungus that kind of grows on your hands, or it just gets on it, and it's just nasty. It's very nasty when it gets on your hands. As far as I'm aware, the dirt and fungus can only get on your hands and can't really get on any other parts of your body, which is actually quite a relief, because now we only need to worry about the hands. We don't have to worry about the hand sanitizer all over the body, you know? And thus, we will only be focusing on the hands today. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is to get yourself some hand sanitizer. This is the hand sanitizer that I have managed to come across. As you can see, the product name is Car X, which is actually quite a strange name for a hand sanitizer. You would have thought it's more likely to be used as motor oil, but that isn't to be the case, as far as I'm aware. As you can see, the contents of this product, it just basically consists of this bluey green gloop. And it is that gloop inside that you're going to want to put on your hands. Just touching this surrounding container actually does nothing to protect your hands, believe it or not. So we're going to have to find some way of extracting this gloop out of the container so that we can get it onto our hands. Let's see if we can do that now. So we just need to find a way to get this out. I wish there was a way to edit this out so you don't need to see this, but if you can edit this out, just to get to the extraction of the gloop, that will be really helpful right now. It's quite embarrassing actually, so I don't know how to do this. Editing not that sophisticated, I don't know how to skip this. Just oh, there's this thing, maybe this oh, so it's coming out now. So it's this thing at the top here that you need to push down on if you have the same kind of product as mine. So you just push it down, and it starts to come out. This bluey green gloop. Don't know how much we're going to need, but this tutorial is literally just how to use this product. So this is how you use it. You just press this button here, press it down. You can see it all comes out. Very exciting. Okay, I believe that should be enough. Just rubbing off the excess. So we can put this product down now because we're pretty much done with it. And what you're left with is this bluey green gloop that you have on your hands right now. So now that we have some on our hands, it is simply just a case of rubbing it in completely, and it should just go dissolve into your skin, and it should be completely dry after that to your hands. So let's just begin. It's making a noise. The noise. Okay. It's turning into this white stuff. Is that normal? It's supposed to rub in. What is happening? It's not rubbing in. It's turned from blue to this white stuff. Have I got the right product? I don't know if I got the right stuff. It's not rubbing in. It's not working. What is this? This is revolting. Help! It's going everywhere. I don't think this was a good idea. How do you get this off? Let me just get a tissue. I needed a tissue actually now. This wasn't the best. It's not the best product. Oh no, it's messing up the tissue. Oh no, the tissue's all messed up. It's supposed to rub into your skin. It's not doing any of that. What kind of product is this? Maybe it's off. Maybe it is motor oil after all. I don't know. I'm not rating this product at all. So if you do use this product, I don't know why you would, but if you do, then make sure you have one of these things, a tissue, with you at all times, because it doesn't go into your skin, doesn't dissolve into your skin, it just stays on your skin like that. No wonder why this, like, no virus or bacteria will get on your hands. It's just because this is just, it covers your whole hand, doesn't get off. So that's it really. Just have a tissue. I can't even reuse this tissue. Look at this. Disgusting. Disgusting. I won't be able to use this again. That's a shame. So I completely wasted this tissue and my hands as well. So that's 2 for the price of 1. This Car X product. Well, I'm not sure I'll be using this again. I was going to rate this product really highly to begin with. As you can see, it looks very, very fashionable, and it's like bluey green. That's an unusual colour for a gloop. But after having used the product and put it on my hands, I'm going to have to score it much lower than I would like. So I'm going to give it a W. I'm afraid, a W out of 10. Now it says it's an antibacterial hand wash, so we have to trust the product, but I mean anyone can write a label, anyone could do a label, so I don't really know if this is accurate really, but that's that. It's still on my hands. I might have to invest in another tissue, to be honest, because it's still all over my hands and it just doesn't come off. So that is how to use hand sanitizer. Very simple. Push down, get it on your hands, rub it for a little bit, get a tissue, wipe it, get another tissue as well. You might need 2 tissues, one might not be enough. You know, I struggled with 1 tissue, so you might want to get another one just in case. 2, maybe 3 even, if you got big hands. And then your hands should be completely fungus free after that. If there is another video that you would like me to do a tutorial about, then please let me know, and I will certainly read through it. I will read through it in the comments, and I will make a very tough decision on whether I'll make that video or not. So please don't be shy to give your suggestion a go. So until next time, I'll see you later, and I'll catch you on the very next video that's uploaded. Now I'm just going to actually put some more on, because you know, you can never be too sure, you know. I don't know if I put on enough to begin with, so I'm just put some more on. And I'll catch you all later. So let's give this a go. Let's put some more on. A bit more maybe. 1 more. That's too much. Okay, so we do this. Then we put this down. Then we rub it in. Oh no, it's not rubbing in again. It's not rubbing in. I'll see you later. This is unbelievable. This. I tried it twice. It still doesn't work very well. Oh.